A report about an inventor or scientist should teach readers clearly using facts and organized paragraphs. Start by planning your 5 sections. First, explain who the person was and when they lived. Second, describe what they invented or discovered. Third, explain how their work changed people's lives. Fourth, describe challenges they faced. Finally, explain their lasting impact today. Before writing, collect notes from books or safe websites. Keep notes short. For example, a note might say, "Born 1879, Germany." In your report, turn that into a full sentence like, "Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. Marie Curie is a strong example. She was a scientist who studied radioactivity in the early 1900s. Her discoveries helped doctors treat diseases like cancer. She also faced challenges because women had fewer opportunities in science then. Today, scientists still build on her work. Every paragraph has a job, so stay organized and explain why each fact matters.